Hi everyone. I know I just got off here, but I accidentally pressed delete. So we're gonna do this all over again. I will wait for a few people to join so you can catch me from the beginning versus later on, okay? I just accidentally pressed delete, so we're gonna do this over, which is good. Hi everyone, Jamaicans.com. I am Maxine Reyes, and I'll be the new host of Courage and Grace. It's a new segment, and I will tell you a little bit about it. But first, I want to introduce myself and give you a little background about where I am from. I grew up in South Manchester, but I was born in Kingston, and I migrated to the United States as a teenager. I attended Homewood High before migrated, and while I was there, I ran track and played netball. Those were the sports that I participated in. I transferred or migrated to Miami and went to Cooper City High and graduated from Miramar High. So for those of you who are in South Florida, that is where I grew up before joining the military. And so I'm a veteran. I'm a singer, a presenter, and I am here now about to feature a bunch of amazing people in the entertainment industry. And when I say entertainment, not just music, it's gonna be across the board in the fine arts, performing arts, and of course, we're gonna have our actors and singers, people who are just doing amazing things in the arts. I'll be featuring them. But most importantly, I will be featuring people who have served in the military. So you're gonna get a different take to what you have been seeing on this awesome website, awesome social media platform. We have persons from the Caribbean who are gonna be featured, who have served in the military, and also from Jamaica, like myself. I look forward to meeting all of you. Hello, Angie. Thank you for joining. I look forward to meeting all of you. Please join me tomorrow night. That's when I will have my first guest, my first interview. It's going to be K. Anthony, and he's a singer and songwriter. I'll be featuring him on my first episode. So please, if you didn't get to watch from the beginning, go ahead and watch the replay. Maxine Reyes. Hey, Erica! I did not know that you were on here. So we have persons from Jamaica that usually follow me on my professional page. And good friend of mine, Erica, you've joined me on Jamaicans.com. Please invite your friends to join us tomorrow for the first interview. It's going to be amazing because this artist has been singing for a while now, but really lately he's been putting out his singles consistently, and all the songs are positive and uplifting. And I just had to share this artist with you guys. So you can actually go over to his page and check him out now. It's K. Anthony. He's on Facebook and Instagram. So check him out in the meantime, and then join me tomorrow as I interview him live right here on Jamaicans.com. I look forward to this journey with you, being on this journey with you. And just remember, tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's when I'll be doing my first interview for Courage and Grace. And I look forward to seeing you. And I'll leave you with this. Remember to do all things with love, courage, and grace. Until tomorrow, I'll see you. Talk to you soon. One love. Bye.